Hi guys, welcome to our live stream. You guys factory of Hengxing Machinery. We are the manufacturer of block machine. We have all the necessary experience for the production of high quality drops made from light tiny weight content. We have the manufacturing and the mixing plate, which are able to detail the quality complete in accordance with the specific plans to be manufactured. The slot machines and the plants are matched to the required production outputs to enable our customers to achieve the highest quantities for the respective sizes. That means you can provide your block size with us, and then we can recommend an optimal model for you which can achieve the highest quantities for your blocks. Here with me is the newly designed high performance single threaded machine model XQD 6-50, which forms the efficiently working of concrete block production. The wide range of the production facilities can meet most customers' requirements. It can provide the production of most common products such as solid bricks, the paving stone, the dry stone, the bottom stone, the Taurus block, the hollow block, and so on. In addition to the high quality and the productivity, our engineers put special focus on guaranteeing low maintenance and trouble-free production process. And owing to the continuous use of the screw fittings, the wear parts can be easily exchanged within shortest time. Moreover, the machine is equipped revolutionary control and diagnostic system, which provides and all support for the machine operators, and therefore always guarantees an efficient production. And now I'm going to introduce the whole process of the production line for you. The production line can be divided into three processes, which are setting process, mixing process, and the block making process. Let's start from the first process, the batching station. The batching station can be manufactured into 2 to 6 hoppers. It depends on how many kinds of aggregates it will use to make the blocks. For example, if you plan to use the stone crushed hours, stone powder, and sand to make the blocks, and then you will need 3 hoppers of batching station or load these 3 different kinds of aggregates in each different hoppers. The capacity of each hopper is 3.2 cubic meters. It's enough for sustaining several cycles for the batching process. And here, each hopper is equipped with a vibrator and electric motor. The vibrator is used for vibrating the hoppers when the aggregate is discharged and conveyed to the weighing hopper. On the top of the weighing hopper lays a steel screen which is used for filtering the oversized aggregates to prevent the large stone from damaging the mold. The screen is also attached to a vibrator which is used for sliding down the stones. The weighing hopper on the bottom is equipped with 3 sets of bolt sails, which can load the maximum 3,000 kilograms of aggregates. And after batching, the aggregates are delivered to the skip hopper of the mixer. The skip hopper will be in the right position waiting for loading aggregates. Because now, here is not a real working site, but in a real situation, there will be a hold for placing the skip hopper. And after delivering, the skip hopper will be hoisted to the top of the mixer and discharge the aggregates into the mixer directly. There is a ladder for climbing to the platform to check the status of material. Let's go and check some more details. When the aggregates are discharged into the mixer,
quantitative cement and water will be added as well. Cement is delivered by screw conveyor from the cement silo to the cement scale. Here will be fixed a cement scale. So the cement will be discharged into the mixer through the cement scale, while water is sprayed into the mixture directly through water pump controlled by timer. The two shafts with single drive motor could realize the material to be mixed more evenly. And in order to prolong the service life of mixer, the mixer tank is used 5/16 inches thick steel for drum wall and 3/4 inches thick steel for end plates. See inside, all liners are made of abrasion-resistant steel. They are bolted segments, which are replaceable and easy for maintenance. The discharge door located on the bottom of drum with door seals driven by pneumatic power, which can realize the quick response to controlled instruction. The batching and mixing plants are integrated into a coherent system. This electric control system is controlled by Siemens PLC and Schneider touchscreen technology, which are easy to understand and with low failure rate. The material stirred ware will be discharged into this hopper and transferred by the belt conveyor to the hopper of the block machine. The hopper attached on the belt conveyor is equipped with a rotary level sensor to detect the position of the mixture in case of overflow. And after batching and mixing process, these two processes finished, here comes the third process, the block making process. As material is conveyed to the machine hopper, the automatic pellets loader will send pellets to the pellets box one by one for sustaining the use of each cycle's block making. The pellets loader machine can be operated under automatic mode or manual mode by changing the status of the switch here. And here is a proximity sensor to detect the position of pellets. When the box is filled with pellets, the pellets load machine will stop sending pellets. This pellet feeding device will push the pellets from the box to the vibration table in turns. And when this hopper is filled with material, the door on the bottom will be opened to discharge the material to the movable feeding box. And when the pellet and the mouth frame and the temper head are in the right position, the feeding box can move forth and back fast over the mold frame, thereby filling up the mold cavity with material. And for uniform feeding of the raw material in mold cavity, special designed agitators are integrated inside the feeding box. And given the well reliability, the bottom plate is used high-duty hard-knock steel. When the feeding box is working to fill up the mold cavity with material, the vibration system is working at the same time. The vibration system adopts intelligent frequency control technology. The maximum excitation force can achieve 60 kN. The vibration box consists of two eccentric shafts inside and driven by electric motors. These two electric motors are Siemens, which truly realize low frequency standby and high frequencies running. When these two eccentric shafts rotate synchronously in the opposite direction, the vibration is generated and transmitted to the vibration table. The table is designed in such a way that it could spread high-frequency vibration effect across the table to the pallet and then to the mold frame. To guarantee the effective life, the vibration table is made of special alloy steel and properly heat-treated. The only other way to reduce the vibration impact for mechanical parts, there is a soft connection between motor and the eccentric shaft, and also with the help of the rubber buffers. The machine can manufacture products rapidly and reduce the mechanical parts damaged from strong vibration. When machine is going to make block, the vibration system and the hydraulic system is working cooperatively. The pressure head and the motor frame lift are controlled by counterlaced inductive proximity sensors. With fully closed-loop control hydraulic system which can achieve efficient positioning control, the speed and the pressure of hydraulic operation are precisely controlled by the proportional valves and the solenoid valves. They are equipped on the hydraulic pack. The hydraulic pack consists of 800 liters oil tank, an oil pump, and electric motor, and the cooling system. They are separated with the block machine and linked with the soft heavy duty hydraulic pipes. The oil pump valves, seals, and other hydraulic elements are Italian and German products such as Altos, Lexus, and Parker. And under the effect of both exciting force and hydraulic pressure, the blocks can be made fast and with high quality. And after demolding, the wet blocks will be conveyed to the stacker through the chains driven by gear motor. The long brush could clean the block surface, making it smooth. The stacker is controlled by 5 proximity sensors. And 1 travel switch. The travel switch controls the brake of the chains and then starts the stacker. The stacker will lift the wet blocks and pallet to stack to corresponding layers. Totally 5 steps finished by the control of 5 proximity sensors. That's easy to understand and easy to maintain. The whole process is controlled by the Siemens PLC and Schneider touchscreen technology. All electric elements, including the contactors, relays, and air switches, they are all Schneider brand with high performance and low failure rate. Through the control decks, the machine can be operated under automatic or manual mode. And we have specially prepared the operation manual. With the help of the operation manual, the machine operator can easily understand and operate the machine.
The HQT6-15, the production line is characterized for the customer who as a beginner wants to study in this field with high quality, high productivity, and superior performance and low maintenance cost. If you are interested in this machine, welcome to contact with me at Penwood. I'm waiting here for you. Thanks for watching.